video, this is a sneak peek of a server called Horizon Craft. In this server, you can build your own house, and there's a game called PvP, and there's a plot, but it's not yet done because this is just a sneak peek of this server, and the owner is my friend from Turkey, and I will give you guys a tour of this server. So let's go! Yeah guys, so this server I will put down below in description. I will put it the IP and the port, so you can guys join. Yeah, and let's go to the house of Red. This is Red house, my friend. Let's see, it's like a paradise. Next up is my house. It's not finished though. And the spawn. Let's go to the stocks. And this is me there, and this is the owner, and this is the master builder. And this house here, it's not finished yet, I think. Yeah, it's not finished yet. And this is my friend. Let's say so funny. It's so funny. Yeah, and this is his house, but it's not finished yet. And I will show it if I will show it in my another video. So guys, this is for a sneak peek server. So guys, this is for now. If you like this video, click slap that like button and subscribe to me for more videos. And I will put the IP and the port of this server. This is a cool server. This is a cool server. So guys, tune in for more videos. So bye guys. Bye.